when most of the traces overlap well. But some edges and corners are not. This might be because we didn't put it properly. Therefore, we can mark another cardboard again, or in a different direction. Just do cross-validation. When the situation is like this, two drawings didn't completely overlap, and there is an obvious deviation. What should we do about it? Don't worry. Take out the hexagonal wrench that comes with the machine. Loosen the 2 stop blocks and 4 screws on the platform. And then push it to the side a little more. Now, use a black marker to draw a mark on the frame. Darker and darker. Back to the previous menu. Find this drawing from locating position. There is no other line on the black marking line, only what I have marked with a pen. Now let me click Mark F2. It starts to work. We can see a laser start mark there. Try to mark a few more times and the traces will be very obvious. Now turn on the light inside the laser machine, so that we can see the traces clearer, and then align the position. First, align the long stop blocks. Slowly push this stop block over. The edge of the stop block overlaps the machine marked line well. Then we fixed it with a hand. And tighten the screws. No need to tighten it too much. A little bit of strength is enough. Keep it in place. After fixing it, let's check whether the edge has moved. If not, let's tune this. Same method. After fixing it, let's check again whether the edge has moved. If no deviation, let's take out the cardboard. Now, we should change to another cardboard, because the before one has been damaged and it doesn't look good. Use another black cardboard that doesn't have wrong traces. Then put it on. As the screw has not been tightened yet, let's gently align it to the upper left corner. Open the drawing we just used for the deviation test. And click Mark F2. After marking, we will see if it is in the right position. If the traces are well aligned. Now we can see. The line on the left overlaps very well, but the line on the right doesn't overlap a little bit. Maybe the stop block has moved too much. Let's just fine-tune the position of stop block. Then, let's change to a new cardboard and try again. It can be very clear after marking a few times. Closer to see, they almost all overlap. If it looks like a shadow or the lines are thickened, that doesn't mean it's not adjusted properly. It means that when we place it, there is slight deviation, because we didn't put it properly. But this deviation is completely within the controllable range for lasering the screen or the back cover. So if we can achieve this effect, it's completely okay. As long as the lines can overlap, it means that the tolerance is about 0.05 mm. So we don't have to worry about it. This is okay. Now we can make sure that the calibration is done. Use an inner hexagonal wrench to tighten the stop blocks to avoid any moving. Okay, now you can use the machine normally. The calibration work is completed.